what inspired us to make this product.
So when we launched the SlimCat patch leads, we got a lot of people coming up be like, this is amazing, this product is great. I want to terminate these in the field because they need custom lengths. You know, oh, we originally said no, we don't have it because, you know, it's difficult to do. Then we got to thinking, okay, maybe we should. And it took us a couple of years to come up with the product. And majority of it was because of this, right? We had
it was the connector. It was also that, you know, Cat cables need to run 100 meters. And we started asking the installation community. Most of the installations that we're doing, the bulk of it is actually quite short length. Even though our patch leads came in all sorts of different lengths, people still wanted to customize their racks. They still didn't want any excess whatsoever, but they wanted a reliable field terminatable product. So SlimCat, the SlimCat system was born, and of course we needed to create both Cat6 and Cat6A.
So again, like James was saying, the SlimCat system was really born from us thinking about all these issues that the integrator of a connected home, what they were going through. And the tagline for SlimCat is all the power, half the size. And that's because that's what it literally does.
Yep.
PoE++, 100 watts.
Yep.
Everything that a normal Cat6 cable does, but in half of the bundle size. And same thing with the Cat6A. So, you know, the cable is obviously thinner, much more flexible. The SlimCat can't just be a cable product. And the lighter, the flexibility, the fire rating and all of that makes it very good, but we also need to do the connectors as well. So I mean, the genesis of this is the patch cords, and when we're going through the design process for the cables, we also thought about how do we offer, you know, an unbreakable latch to the field termination solutions.
Yeah.
And originally the easiest idea was just to release what we're doing on the patch cords. I think we all understood that if it's not a clear body like this, then it's very, very difficult to field terminate, because then you don't see whether or not the conductors are sitting where they're supposed to sit.
Yeah.
And so the design challenge then was, how do you design a clear body with a different material on the latch so that it doesn't break off?
Yeah, so it's taking that connector to the next generation,
Yeah.
but also making it easy to field terminate and making sure that success is easily implementable,
Yeah.
repeatable in the field. In addition to that, the keystones are also available for the unshielded and the black and the white and the shielded. We use die cast elements for our connectors. Yeah, SlimCat has now won many awards. You know, last year we collected numerous awards at both ISE and at Senior Expo.
Yeah.
And we've continued to develop this system. The packaging it comes in, the ergonomics. You know, you'll see more from this system.
We came across SlimCat, and we've standardised on this as a business. We're just moving our whole team over to utilising SlimCat for mainly the space saving. We're seeing racks getting smaller, more hardware being fitted in there, so space is commodity, and SlimCat's an interesting product that's allowed us to free up room within the racks we build.
The little tab on the RJ45 connection on that cat cable, you can bend that thing all the way over, bend it back, bend it over, bend it back about 1,000 times, and you're never going to break it.
Trying to bundle lots of network cables into an installation with traditional Cat6, you can end up with quite a thick bundle, but with the Kordz series you can get a lot more cables into a much narrower space. Really good stuff, basically.